Now we move to the disadvantages of using mechanical drilling jar. There are three main disadvantages of using this type of drilling jar. The first one is the drilling jar will fire immediately when the compression or tension force exceed the latch setting load. And the second one is it will cause damage to the hoisting rig. And the third one is no time delay for the drilling jar to fire. The first and the second disadvantages is due to the third one. Because there is no time delay, it will fire immediately. And since it will fire immediately without any time delay, it will cause damage to the drilling hoisting rig. Because the driller will not have time to turn on the pump brake, which will eventually transfer the load in the bottom hole up to the hoisting rig, which can damage the drilling hoisting rig. As for hydraulic drilling jar, there are four main advantages of using this type of drilling jar. The first one is the jarring impact can be controlled. Jarring impact can be controlled as there are time delays by using this hydraulic drilling jar, which will allow us to adjust the force. The second one is it will prevent drilling hoisting rig from being damaged. How this can be achieved? Because there are time delays, then driller are able to engage drum brake before drilling jar fires. Eventually, it will prevent the drilling rig hoisting equipment from being damaged. The third one is it has a mechanism to fire up, different to the mechanical drilling jar where it only has a mechanism to fire down. And the last one is the load required to fire the drilling jar is just above the internal drag in the jar. Thus, any load above the internal drag will cause the drilling jar to fire.